Dear students, today I am going to discuss some questions from mathematics. The first question is, if alpha be a root of the equation 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0, prove that 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha is the other root. Now the solution is, as alpha is a root of the given quadratic equation 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0, so for alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1 equals to 0. That means in place of x, we have written alpha as alpha is the root of the equation. And then this implies 4 alpha square equals to 1 minus 2 alpha. These two terms have been brought to right side, and this is the first equation. And now after multiplying this first equation both sides by alpha, we get 4 alpha cubed equals to alpha minus 2 alpha square. Okay, and now we are subtracting 3 alpha both sides, then we get 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha equals to alpha minus 2 alpha square minus 3 alpha, and this we get 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha equals to minus 2 alpha minus 2 alpha square, because plus alpha and minus 3 alpha gives minus 2 alpha, and again 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha equals to minus 2 alpha minus 1 by 2 into 4 alpha square. Yes, because 2 to the 4, it will be cancelled and we will get 2 alpha square. And here we need 4 alpha square so that we can get the desired result that we are searching. So 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha equals to minus 2 alpha minus 1 by 2 into, and now from equation 1, 4 alpha square equals to 1 minus 2 alpha. So in place of 4 alpha square, we are putting 1 minus 2 alpha. So we get minus 2 alpha minus 1 by 2, because we are removing the bracket, and this 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 and we get minus 1, and minus 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 2 alpha, we get 1 by 2 into 2 alpha, and that is equals to minus 2 alpha minus 1 by 2 plus alpha, and minus 2 alpha plus alpha equals to minus alpha minus 1 by 2. This is the second equation. And as now we are supposing, let second root of the quadratic equation is beta. And we know sum of roots equals to alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Here x is the variable in the given quadratic equation, that's why x I have taken somewhere. Variable can be y, z, anything. So in that case we will write minus coefficient of that variable which has been given in the quadratic equation, and this is equals to minus b by a. This is equals to minus 2 by 4, because coefficient of x is here 2 and coefficient of x square is 4. So minus 2 by 4 equals to minus 1 by 2. So beta is equals to, now this alpha comes right side, so minus 1 by 2 minus alpha. And so now from equation 2, what we are getting? We have got minus alpha minus 1 by 2 is equals to 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha, and so that we are putting here. So we are getting 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha is equals to minus alpha minus 1 by 2. And so this so much is equals to beta. So beta equals to 4 alpha cubed minus 3 alpha, hence verified. This is the second root of the given quadratic equation. Now, second question is, find the sum of the series 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus and so on to 12 terms. Here we find the given series is in geometric progression as t2 by t1, that means second term by first term, third term by second term, fourth term by third term is equals to 2 by 1 equals to 4 by 2 equals to 8 by 2. That means all the ratios are constant. So they are in geometric progression. So here the first term is a, that is equals to 1. Common ratio equals to r, that is 2, because 8 by 4 is 2, 2 by 1 is 2, 4 by 2 is 2. So that is the common ratio. and number of terms is 12. So n is 12 because we have to find till 12 terms. So here you find that this r is greater than 1. That means common ratio is greater than 1. So we are using this formula as sum equals to a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Yes, and if r will be smaller than 1, then another formula we will use. So here sum equals to 1 into 2 to the power 12 because n is 12 number of terms. So 1 into 2 to the power 12 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 to the power 12 we are getting 4096 minus 1 by 1, that is equals to 4095, and therefore the sum of the series is 4095. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.